Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a quick wig review on this wig right here. So if you guys want all the deets, then make sure you stay tuned.
Show me how to love and how to deal with pain. Sometimes I get angry, but I can't complain. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Yes, yes, yes. I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. Thank you.
Okay love, so this wig is courtesy of Zury Hollywood. They were kind enough to send your girl this beautiful unit right here, and so I'm going to tell you what the deets are as well as give you guys a review. And when I say this video should be really quick, it should be really quick because this unit is effortless and pretty much speaks for itself, and so I'm just going to jump right into this. So the unit that you see on my head is again from ZURY SIS. This unit is from their Slay collection. It is their Slay LFP Lace H Mia in the color 1B. And so this is what the stock card looks like. So an important thing to note is that it is a part of their Virgin Touch collection as well, which means that it feels like human hair, and it absolutely does. Like, y'all, this thing right here is amazing. So the reason that I'm really excited about this unit is because I actually have her sister Gia, and so this is Mia, so I'm rocking Mia, but I also have Gia, and so Gia is the shorter version of Mia. So I'll link Gia like right here so that you guys can see what Gia looks like, but I absolutely love Gia. Gia is like still my all-time favorite for 2019. She is definitely in my collection. I rock her occasionally. She's so effortless, just like this unit is, but Gia just so happens to be a bob, and she's just an effortless bob. So with Mia, I already knew to expect something great because I know how Gia is, and it's the same thing. So with Mia, it comes with a 13x6 inch lace front, and so all of this is free parting for you to party whichever way you want, as well as it has like the stocking cap effect, which you guys will see if you guys stay tuned to the unboxing, which is just like an added layer. So instead of it just being lace, they give you like an added layer, which is like a stocking cap method, I guess, and you can heat it up to 350 degrees. So Mia pretty much only comes in like natural colors, but I think they have like a burgundy, they have a 1B30, and then an FS427, which is what the model is wearing, which just looks like a brownish kind of color. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything that's on the stock card. Now my personal opinion about the unit is, like I already said, you guys, like I just love this unit. I already knew what to expect, so I wasn't too shocked or surprised. Now the bangs are the only thing that shocked. The bangs, see, that's what I thought they were bangs. The baby hairs, although the baby hairs are like slightly natural, for whatever reason Zury makes them like they're bangs, like they literally come all the way down here, and so you do have to customize them, you do have to finesse them if you want to use the baby hairs. And I tend to like the baby hairs, but it gets a little challenging when they're so long and I'm trying to shape them to my head shape. And so like I tell you guys, baby hairs are hit and miss. Some days I have good baby hair days, other days not so much. So hopefully they look, you know, okay. But other than the baby hairs, that was really the only thing that I was just kind of like over with. It does tangle, but right now, like you guys can see, I can run my hands through it. It definitely looks like human hair and it feels like human hair, so that's what I absolutely love about this unit. But it does tangle, so if you guys can see, but look, it's really minimal tangling. Like you see, I was able to just cross my fingers, whatever, and the tangle came right out. And so yeah, I just absolutely love this unit. Yeah, I know I keep saying that, right? Because I just genuinely do love the unit. So I decided to go ahead and make this just a very quick show and tell wig review type thing, because I'm gonna go ahead and probably do another video where I show you Mia and Gia in the same video and just kind of compare and just kind of play with it. Like I know that with Mia, which is what I'm rocking on my hair, she's more versatile than I'm sure Gia is, because I can part her in different ways and put like little styles in it. And so I'm gonna save that for another video, so you guys let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing that updated video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.